Jeff looks as dismal as his house does. He's worked hard all day, and now he's arrived home to darkness, silence, and sweltering heat. Jeff would love to return to a home bathed in welcoming light, with his favorite TV show on, and the temperature at the perfect level. But he just can't afford to replace all his switches and appliances to make his smart home dream come true. Hey Jeff, what if I told you there was a way to make your house smart without spending a ton of money or changing a single switch or appliance? Let me introduce you to the SwitchBot Hub Plus. It's a smart gateway with a remote infrared controller that will make all your appliances smart, including your fan, TV, and air conditioner. The Hub Plus has smart learning, so you can just press on your existing remote, and it will identify the appliance and fetch the command scheme. Over 4,000 brands work automatically with the Hub Plus, but it can learn and replicate any infrared signal, and Hub Plus can even control manual switches through our SwitchBots. Hub Plus also works with Alexa, Google, and IFTTT. Just think, all your home appliances will be smart, and you'll only need one remote, Jeff. SwitchBot Hub Plus, the simple, affordable way to switch to a smart home.
Introducing the Hydralight. For the first time, there is a flashlight that runs on water. How does it work? You just remove the revolutionary Hydrocell fuel cell and immerse it in any kind of water for 10 to 12 seconds. When water enters the fuel cell, it immediately begins to generate power. Place the fuel cell back in the Hydralight, and you have an impressive flashlight. And for those times when the power goes out, the Hydralight is the perfect light for emergencies.